Reese, you got the hiccups? Got some major hiccups going on, girl. Sounds like a 5-year-old hiccup. You poor thing. Oh no, I hate the hiccups. Don't go to sleep though, 'cause you're getting pictures at 1:30 and your mommy wants you to go to sleep then. It's your first picture. No, 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 no sleepy. But mommy, I'm so tired. You're acting like a Tiara Tyler's mommy, Tap Tab.